Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. If you could leave a comment, that would be fantastic. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today we have a Big Mac salad. First thing we got to do is make the dressing. All right, in this little food processor here, I have a half a cup of mayo. To that, I added 2 tablespoons of diced pickles. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon and a half of honey. And then we want to add approximately 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. And then we want to add a half teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of white vinegar, and of course, salt and pepper. And then you just want to turn your food processor on and give it about, 30 seconds to get mixed up. All right, and then pour this in a container and chill out in the fridge for at least an hour before you make your salad. Okay, in a pan, we've got some burger that we're going to cook up. And just going to season it liberally with salt and pepper. That's it. So cook the burger till it's done, drain, and we'll be ready to make our salad. All right, so as you can see here, I've got some chopped up hearts of romaine in a bowl. And first thing we want to do is add some of our burger meat. And then you want to lay down some pickle slices. And then some diced tomatoes. And then some cheddar cheese. And then some of that Big Mac dressing that we made. And finally finishing it off with some French's fried onions. And that's that. The Big Mac salad. Done.